Yeah, sure.
Still before the place meal test compartment. If you're like a where you sat is either full or contains emergency exits, which area that uses only compartment Our captain tells us we're going to shortly guide us to flight time information with flight down to Palma this afternoon, but in the meantime, if you do need any help at all when you board in the aircraft, then please do not hesitate to ask a member of the crew for the help to assist you further at this time.
I'm the captain on today's flight, and joining on the flight deck is First Officer Chris Berry. We've now got all of you on. We're still just trying to work out a baggage issue at the moment. We've apparently got one more bag than we're expecting, which is a slightly unusual circumstance. So we're just trying to work out why that is. But as soon as that's done, we'll be able to get you on the way. We are running slightly late today, I'm sure you're aware. The reason for that is you may well not have seen over the last couple of days in the news that every system in the world that's been run on Microsoft has had some fairly major issues since a rogue update, and that's affected airlines as well as everybody else. So things have just gone slightly awry over the last couple of days. 5 of us today on board have come up from Manchester. Unfortunately, we weren't able to bring a full complement of crew with us, which means that Beth at the front of the aeroplane in the cabin has kindly volunteered her day off, but she had to come down from Newcastle. So before we could get you on board, she had to arrive. But she's here now, so we'll shortly be able to get you underway. The rest of the team, they are Jason, who's leading the aeroplane at the front with Beth, and at the back are Angela and Phil. They're all on board for your comfort, but primarily they're here for your safety, so please do listen to the safety demonstration they'll shortly be giving you. When we get going, we've got a flight time of 2 hours and 30 minutes. Chris is doing the flying, so once we get up to the cruise, he'll come back and give you a bit more information about the weather and the route we can expect today. Otherwise, don't make yourselves comfortable. We will get you going just as soon as we can, as soon as we've got this paperwork issue sorted, and we'll get your holiday started. Thanks very much.
Ladies and very welcome aboard to Flight 25 down to Palma. Please tell you that we are ready for departure. While you're getting comfortable for the flight, just a few important things we just need to run through with you. Smoking, vaping, and use of e-cigarettes and similar products is prohibited. Sure your own oxygen mask is fitted before helping anyone else. Whenever the seatbelt signs are on, your seatbelt must be securely fastened. Your seatbelt is fastened, adjusted and opened like this.
enjoy the start of your holiday. If there's anything we can't do to assist you, do please let us know. Thank you.
Just over the Pyrenees and actually over the top of Barcelona before down into the Mediterranean and down on towards Palma. Weather on the flight down is quite nice, quite smooth weather all the way down. We should be touching down in Palma at about 7 o'clock local time, where it's minus 30 degrees at the moment. I will give you a further update as we get a little bit closer towards Palma. Until then, sit back and enjoy the flight.
to land, no? It's coming in now.
Welcome to the island of Mallorca. Local time here in Palma is 1 hour ahead, that's in the UK. That's just approaching 7 o'clock in the evening. Please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until the airplane has come to a complete stop and the captain has switched off and fastened the seatbelt sign. Now that we have left the runway, you can use your handheld electronic devices. Once again, as we have mentioned before leaving today, please do check in the seat pockets in front of you, around your seat area and in the other compartments, making sure you've got all your personal belongings like your passports, wallets, purses, any electronic devices like iPads, iPhones, Kindles, any charging cables, reading glasses. Make sure they're in your hand luggage, as anything left on board will be handed to our agents here, and it will delay you departing the airport this evening if you need to retrieve this from their lost property department. So it is in your best interest just to give yourself a few minutes. Also do take care when opening the other compartments to ensure nothing falls out, and if you were given an additional seatbelt and life jacket, please leave these on the aisle seats before you leave the aeroplane. For those customers who have requested assistance, please remain seated until all the customers have disembarked the aeroplane and we will be able to assist you further. You need to have your passports ready for inspection by the immigration authorities here in Palma. And as a reminder, smoking is not allowed, including vapes, electronic and those nicotine devices that resemble cigarettes. Once the aeroplane has come to complete stop, the cabin crew will be focusing on carrying out some safety duties and will then come back to you with more information on which doors you will be leaving the aeroplane. All I to say, ladies and gentlemen, that we do apologise for the late arrival, which I'm sure you have been told by the captain was the reason for our late arrival here. Hope it's not caused you too much discomfort. Please do have a fantastic holiday here in Mallorca, and we look forward to seeing you again on your return flight home. So thank you for flying with TUI Airways, and a very good evening to you all.
When I'm away, you tell me one like a football match. Yeah. That's about 200 quid.
Cabin crew, disarm flight.
You're the one, because that's what you're here for.
This country's quite warm.
Just keep walking. Been affected.